Meet Priya. She is a working mom. Between work and family obligations, her schedule is always packed. Meet Yan. From constantly meeting customers, Yan needs to access learning on the go, especially when preparing for important client meetings. And this is Emily. Emily is Gen Z and has recently started working. She craves engaging learning experiences. But in a traditional classroom environment, she finds it challenging to stay focused and motivated. Luckily, all three of these individuals can benefit from mobile learning. With the ability to learn on the go using a mobile device like a smartphone or a tablet, Priya, Yan, and Emily can overcome their unique learning challenges and achieve their goals. So, what is mobile learning? It's a method of learning that utilizes mobile devices such as smartphones or tablets to access learning material anytime, anywhere. Mobile learning can be used to provide on-demand training and support accessible to employees at their convenience. Mobile learning can be used as a performance support tool, providing employees with instant access to information and resources when they need it most. Mobile learning allows employees to engage in social learning by connecting with their peers and sharing knowledge and ideas. Mobile learning is often more cost-effective than other traditional forms of learning. So there you have it, everything you need to know to get started on mobile learning. If you're interested in implementing mobile learning in your organization, get in touch with Thinkdom.